Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa, a giant construction site! Let's go check it out! Hard hat area. I wonder, why do construction workers need to wear hard hats?
Hey, I'm driving here!
Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.B.O. We were wondering, why do construction workers wear hard hats?
Oh, well, hello there, Blippi and D.B.O. My name is Christopher Crane. How you doing? Uh-oh, here, put these on. You'll need them.
Okay.
Come with me. I need to bring these beams to the other side of the site. I can teach you about hard hats on the way. Here. Construction sites are very dangerous, and a hard hat helps protect your head from many risks, like, swinging steel beams. Whoa, watch out!
Whoa, that was a close one.
That's why we gotta be careful, Kareem, how you doing? That's my buddy Kareem. He's a good guy, very tall. Come on.
Hi, Kareem.
Hey, D.B.O, look out for those pipes.
It's a good thing you're wearing your hard hat, D.B.O.
Hard hats are great at protecting your head against bumps, Still got a ways to go. Hop on.
Yeah! Whoa! Look at all those construction workers all the way up there.
Oh, sounds like lunch to me. But remember, there are dangers all over a construction site. You gotta be careful when walking below workers because you never know when something might...
D.B.O!
Fall. All right, stop goofing around. We got a job to do.
Let's go. Uh-oh. Yeah. Thanks, Christopher.
All right, let's get this job started.
Yeah.
This is the hard part. Gotta line it up just so.
Whoa!
Watch out!
Oh no! D.B.O! D.B.O! Are you okay?
Hey, look! You helped install the last beam.
Yeah! And I got the answer to my question. Construction workers wear hard hats to protect their head from bumps and falling objects. Upload answer, D.B.O.
Hey, I got another job to do. Thanks for your help, Blippi. I'll see you later.
Bye, Christopher. Whoa! That was a gigantic truck. You're right, D.B.O. I think that was a monster truck. I wonder, what makes a monster truck special? Good idea. We can catch up with that monster truck and find out. I'm gonna need monster truck wheels.
Monster truck wheels confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. D.B.O? Whoa, D.B.O! You have the monster truck wheels attachment? You're like a monster truck. All right, let's ride. D.B.O the monster truck is ready for adventure.
Crush! Crush!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.B.O. You really crushed that car.
Hi, Blippi. I'm Megan.
So Megan, we're here to find out what makes a monster truck special.
Cool. Well, I think the best way to answer your question is to show you what I do.
Great!
You see, I'm a monster truck with big, tall, monster tires. I'm 13 feet tall.
Wow!
Let's do this.
All right!
Huh? Crush!
We can't bounce as high as you, Megan! And oh boy, we're almost tipping over!
Well, I have heavy-duty suspension, which are special springs, so I can bounce way up and down and not tumble over. I use them when I race and have competitions.
Cool! Whoa!
Yeah! Welcome aboard, Blippi! Buckle up! It's time to dominate the obstacle course.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Wow! This is awesome! Woo! How can you turn and zigzag so fast?
I have something called four-wheel steering, so I can turn all four wheels at once, instead of just two wheels like a lot of regular trucks. Us monster trucks are built for short, high-powered bursts of speed. Whoa, yeah, whee! I nailed that!
Megan, that was amazing! And I have the answer to my question. What makes a monster truck special? Monster trucks are a special kind of truck with big tires, heavy-duty suspension, and four-wheel steering. Upload answer, D.A.B.B.O. Bye, Megan! It was so cool to ride with you!
Bye, Blippi! Keep on crushing.
Careful now! Whoa, I'm hungry! This cereal is soggy! I wonder, why does cereal get soggy? Great idea, D.A.B.B.O. We'll shrink down and find out. I'm gonna need wings, duck feet, and the grabber arm.
Wings, duck feet, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. You're right, D.A.B.B.O. It sure is hard.
Attention!
Whoa! Who are you?
I'm Scooper the Spoon. That's Sergeant Scooper the Spoon to you.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.A.B.B.O. We're here to learn why cereal gets soggy.
Well, you came to the best of the best. These crunchy pieces of cereal are as hard as nails. The only problem is we got incoming milk in T-minus 30 seconds.
What happens then?
The cereal gets all wet, Blippi. At first, it may seem like cereal is 100% solid, but if you look closely, it's actually porous. That means full of tiny little holes.
Good idea, D.A.B.B.O. I'll go gather some intel, and you stay here on the lookout. Shrinking down again! It's like a cave made of cereal!
All those holes you're flying through are open space for milk to fill and make the cereal soggy. Then it expands and falls apart. Milk incoming!
Whoa! The cereal is falling apart! Time to get out of here! Growing up!
No time to float around. We've got a cereal rescue mission to complete. Now that the milk has infiltrated the cereal, we've got to scoop fast before the cereal gets soggy.
We're on it!
got it. You see, in the few minutes the cereal has been in milk, it has absorbed the liquid through the holes. Not like how a sponge absorbs water. With your help, we got all the cereal out safely. Well done, troops.
Thanks, Sergeant Scooper. And I got the answer to my question. Why does cereal get soggy? Cereal gets soggy when milk fills in the tiny holes of the cereal and causes it to expand and fall apart. Upload answer, D.A.B.B.O.
Goodbye, Blippi.
Bye-bye, Sergeant Scooper. Thanks for the scoop. All right, let's have a picnic. There are a bunch of ants, Tabs, and they're all walking together. I wonder, why do ants walk in a line? Good idea, Tabs. We can shrink down to ant size and find out. I'm gonna need spider legs.
Spider legs confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure.
Hi, y'all. Welcome. I'm Anita, and this is my group of amazing ants.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. Anita, we're here to find out why ants walk in a line.
Well, jump on in our line and find out. We're going to get snacks for a big old potluck back home.
Thanks, Anita. Sounds yummy.
You betcha. Well, hi, Maribel. Oh my, that snack you have looks delish. So, where'd you find the food? A heap of thanks for the info, Maribel. We ants exchange information through our antennas. Let's go, y'all.
Uh-oh. Nice birdie. Whoa! Hello? Hello? Anita?
Hello, we're here. Right back on the trail, Sweet Pea.
There's a trail? I don't see it.
You can't see it because it's a smell. When we walk, we drop a scent, and the ants behind us smell it using their antennas.
So ants have antennas instead of noses? Look, your antennas are twitching.
That's right. My antennas are a-twitching because they sense something tasty in this direction. Careful, y'all. Bumpy road ahead.
Anita led us right back to our picnic blanket.
My word. Okay, ants, let's get some food. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work.
Whoa!
Grapes are good. Walnuts are yum. Cheese and crackers, I'm tickled pink.
I can't believe that ants can lift all that.
Yes, sir. We ants can carry more than 10 times our own body weight. Okay, y'all. Let's hop on that trail and follow the scent back home.
Just like follow the leader. Now I have the answer to my question. Why do ants walk in a line? Ants walk in a line because the ant in front drops a trail of smells behind her, and the other ants follow it. Upload answer, Tabs. Bye, Anita. Great to be in a line with y'all.
Bye-bye, Blippi.
That's right, D.A.B.B.O. The leaves have almost fallen off the trees. That means winter is coming. Whoa, that is a big bear. It looks like it's ready to hibernate. That's when bears slow down in the winter and rest. Kinda like a bunch of long naps. I wonder, how do bears prepare for hibernation? I'm gonna need the excavator arm.
Excavator arm confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure.
Whoa! Nice hula hoop moves you got there. I'm Bella the bear.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.A.B.B.O. We're wondering how bears prepare for hibernation.
Is it that time already?
It's almost winter.
Oh no! I've been having so much fun this summer I totally forgot to prepare. I'm gonna have to move fast. Hey, could you help me?
Of course.
Thanks, Blippi. I've got quite the checklist. I'm gonna have to eat a lot of healthy food and fast. So I can bulk up my fat and fur to keep me warm. Fish is one of my favorite foods.
Whoa! Voila!
Oh, right. Eating. Thanks, Blippi. I'll also need to load up on berries.
Bella, don't you need to eat the berries?
Whoopsie-doo. Oh.
Thanks, D.A.B.B.O.
All right. We're making progress. But now for the tough part. We need to dig in the ground to find roots to eat.
I know just the thing to speed up the process.
Nice work, Blippi. Well, excuse me. Delish. Oh, I just need one more thing to keep me warm.
What is it?
I need an extra layer to keep warm in my cave. Pine needles! The bear version of a big, comfy blanket. Oh, thanks! That looks extra cozy. I'm all ready for hibernation. And I couldn't have done it all in one day without your help.
I think we made it just in time. Thanks for answering my question, Bella. Bears prepare for hibernation by eating a lot of healthy food and warming their dens in order to stay comfy in the winter months. Upload answer, D.A.B.B.O. Have a great sleep, Bella.
Bye, Blippi. Oh, take care of my hula hoop till summer, D.A.B.B.O.
What a nice day for a quiet drive. Whoa! Attack of the bubbles! That's right, D.A.B.B.O. Bubbles pop when you touch them. I wonder, how do you make bubbles? Great idea! We'll follow the bubbles to find out. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. The bubbles are from the car wash. Let's give it a wash.
Hi! Oh, good boy. I'm Marvin Bubbly.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.A.B.B.O. We're here to learn how to... Wait a second, are you a pop star?
Oh, sure am.
My mom loves you!
Thank you very much. You're far too kind. So, what are you here to learn?
D.A.B.B.O. and I are here to learn how bubbles are made.
So glad you asked. The surfaces of bubbles are soft. Ooh, which makes them pop easily. That reminds me, we need more bubbles. And I know just the fella to show you how. Can you guess? It's me, Marvin Bubbly. Come on.
Whoopsies!
The first step is to get water. Then we need some soap to mix with it. And shoo-ba-dee-dee-boop. Voila! You make bubbles.
And look how they float!
Us bubbles can float like that because we're just air that's trapped inside a thin layer of soapy water.
Whoa! So bubbles are made by blowing air into soap.
That's right! Which reminds me, let's make some more bubbles. And I know just the fella to show you how.
It's you!
It is me! Just dip your hands in the water, get them sudsed up on the soap. Make a circle with your hands and blow.
Whoa! It's bigger than you! Check this out!
Catch me if you can. I've got new heights to reach.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Keep flying high, Marvin! And thanks for helping me get the answer to my question. How are bubbles made? They're made when air gets trapped inside a thin layer of soapy water. Upload answer, D.A.B.B.O. Bye-bye, Marvin.
Bye-bye, Blippi. Bye-bye, everyone.
Whoa! Look at all the blinking fireflies. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I love counting. Don't you, D.A.B.B.O? Hey, get back here, you silly. What you got there, D.A.B.B.O? I wonder, why do fireflies light up? I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Look at all those different flashing patterns. Maybe it's a counting game. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Whoops.
Hey, it's me, Blippi. I was wondering, why do fireflies light up?
Hey, I'm Felicia. And if there's one thing you gotta know about us fireflies, it's that we are all about that blink.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
You again? Just try and catch me this time.
D.A.B.B.O!
I like your style, D.A.B.B.O.
I've never seen moves like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
When fireflies blink, it's because they like another firefly style. And with style like that, I just can't stop. Everybody, stop!
Oh, no!
Not today, Froggy Boy.
Felicia saves the day.
Works every time. Fireflies also light up when there is danger around.
Oh, like a warning signal to predators to stay away?
Yep. Nope, not my style. Not bad, but nah. Hey, Blippi, will you help me find a firefly with a blinking style like mine?
You mean like a counting game?
Yeah! Do you remember my flash pattern?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's it!
We found your match.
Now that's my style.
What a great adventure! And I got the answer to my question. Why do fireflies light up? Fireflies light up to warn predators to stay away and to help them find other fireflies with the same blinking style. Upload answer, D.A.B.B.O.
Thanks for your help, Blippi!
Bye, Felicia! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You're right, D.A.B.B.O. The snow has blocked the BlippiMobile. I wonder, how are we gonna get out of here? Whoa! Oh, look! Whoa, yeah!
I'm an excavator. Got a place where the workers sit, it's called a cab, where they control the bucket to scoop and drag. I'm a drift dissipator, a snowy excavator. Oh, can't you see that I drive all day?
Do you ever sleep?
No time for sleep, no time for play. I'm an excavator, a snowy excavator. Hey, snow! See you later, snowy excavator. A snowy excavator. I'm an excavator, a snowy excavator. Hey, snow! See you later, snowy excavator.
Whoa! Look at all those elephants! I wonder, what do elephants use their trunks for? You're right, D.A.B.B.O. We should go ask one and find out. I'm gonna need a water hose and duck feet.
Water hose, duck feet, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The BlippiMobile is ready for adventure. Yikes! Whoa! 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 Yeah! Whoa! Yeah! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and that's D.A.B.B.O. Hey, we were wondering, what do elephants use their trunks for?
Hi, Blippi and D.A.B.B.O. I'm Temple.
Whoa!
We elephants use our trunks to help cool down by sucking up water and spraying it on our bodies.
Like this?
Let's go down the slide again. Race you to the shore.
You're on.
First!
Whoa! How could you breathe underwater?
That's That's another great thing about my trunk. I can breathe through it.
Wow, just like my nose.
Exactly. Hey, speaking of noses, I smell bananas. Elephants have an excellent sense of smell. Come on, hop on my back.
Oh, boy!
Thank you.
Look, another slide. I wish we could go down that one, but the path is blocked.
Check this out. Another great thing about trunks is that I can move just about anything.
Last one down is a banana peel. Whoa! This is the best day ever! Whoa!
Ready or not, here I come.
Yeah! Whoa!
Elephants also use their trunks to make sounds, like when we are excited.
That's amazing! Thank you, T.A.B.B.O, for helping me find the answer to my question. What do elephants use their trunks for? Elephants use their trunks to smell, breathe, make sounds, suck up water, and even grab things. Upload answer, D.A.B.B.O.
Bye, Blippi. See you next time you're in the savannah.
Bye-bye, T.A.B.B.O. We had such a blast!